Assalamu alaikum, class 9th A. Today we will start our next topic, unit number 10, drug addiction. Okay students, drug means a narcotic or medicine. Addiction means taking drugs as a habit to intoxicate oneself. So drug addict, a habitual user of drugs. He depends on drugs or drug taking. He cannot give up this addiction easily. So the title of the lesson is that the lesson is about the causes and ill effects of drug taking. It tells us how we can cure drug patients and drug addiction. The theme of the lesson is that the theme revolves around harmful effects of drug addiction. It also refers to the importance of rehabilitation centers in treating drug addicts. It highlights the vital role that counseling plays in making people live a healthy life. Drug abuse is the type of problem that affects more than the person who is abusing the drug. It is far-reaching issue that has stressed out of the families around the country. This is the problem that cannot be ignored. It is a great curse and a great threat to any society. Here are the key points that are discussed in this chapter. The first paragraph of this chapter is about drug addiction is a common problem all over the world. Drug addiction is common the world over. The most dangerous fact about drug addiction is the complete dependence of drug takers on it. The use of drugs for a long time brings mental and physical sickness. Many people fall into regular habits of using powerful drugs like heroin, tobacco, cocaine, and alcohol. Their use causes mental and bodily troubles. The second paragraph of this chapter is about drug addiction is caused by environmental factors. Some main environmental factors that cause drug addiction are the influence of companions and disturbed family condition. Young people begin using drugs in bad company. They try to make brave new efforts in the name of adventure. Under the influence of drugs, the people who are unhappy with life can also turn to drugs. They try to escape or get away from their duties in life under the influence of drugs. The third paragraph of this chapter is about the importance of rehabilitation centers in the recovery of drug addict. The rehabilitation and recovery of the drug addict is very important to save his life. But in many countries and in our country too, drug abusers, their families and friends consider it an ugly subject to talk about. They fear that others may not accept them, and so they are not willing to take them to drug rehabilitation centers. This makes the cure of addicts difficult, but addicts mostly die because they are not given treatment in time and are not given proper advice. The rehabilitation centers make the recovery of the drug addicts possible in the best ways. Here the addicts or victims of addiction are supervised. Drug addicts should be taken to proper and officially accepted rehabilitation centers. Their problems should be exactly known, and the addicts or sufferers should cooperate fully with the workers at these centers. The next paragraph is about the proper counseling of the addictors. Proper counseling or the giving of suitable advice and support helps much in the rehabilitation of drug addicts. The advice of the drug addict should continue even after his recovery because he is in danger of falling into his old bad condition, doctors, the addict's family, and his friends should encourage him for a better life. And the last paragraph is about uh, that drug addiction a serious threat to society. Drug addiction is a serious threat to all societies. Pakistan has about 5 million drug addicts. Drug addicts face poverty, difficulties in the family, and health problems. Different governments in the world have been working to bring drug addiction to be an end. Drug addiction can be wiped out if people understand the dangers of drugs. Then they can finally decide to lead a healthy and meaningful life. Okay, this is all about the chapter. I hope you understand well the chapter and solve the comprehension questions of this chapter well.